So now here, instead of one thumbtack, I have a whole lot of thumbtacks. So we're going to blow up another balloon. Now, if I pass out and you see me disappear behind the table, just give me a minute. I'll get back up. I'll be okay. Okay, so we have another balloon here. We've inflated, so this is another bag of Mr. Dave's stinky breath. Now we are going to press this on a bunch of thumbtacks, okay? So what we have, when we did this one before, we had that single area that had a lot of tension, a lot of pressure on a very small area. Now we have a whole bunch of these here, so this should pop way louder, right? Well, maybe not. Let's see what happens. So we're going to put this onto these thumbtacks. Got a super cool close-up there. As I'm pushing on these thumbtacks, I can push it down. I'm pushing pretty hard. I'm getting a little bit nervous, but I pushed pretty hard on those thumbtacks there, and it didn't pop. Okay? So what happened here is we've spread out our surface area. That tension